Association of Southeast Asian Nations, or ASEAN, has profoundly shaped the Philippines' journey since its founding in 1967. This video explores ASEAN's impact on the Philippines' economy and political landscape. Economically, ASEAN has been a catalyst for growth. The ASEAN Free Trade Area, or AFTA, has significantly boosted Philippine exports, particularly in manufacturing and agriculture. Increased foreign direct investment, or FDI, has fueled infrastructure development and job creation. Tourism, a major contributor to the Philippine economy, has also seen a surge thanks to increased regional travel. For example, San Miguel Corporation, Jollibee, and Universal Robina Corporation, which have expanded into ASEAN markets with their products and services. Politically, ASEAN has provided a platform for the Philippines to engage with its neighbors on issues of regional security, stability, and cooperation. Membership has strengthened the Philippines' diplomatic influence and fostered closer ties with other Southeast Asian nations. ASEAN's focus on regional peace and conflict resolutions has also contributed to a more stable environment for the Philippines. In conclusion, ASEAN has undeniably played a pivotal role in shaping the Philippines' economic and political trajectory. While challenges remain, the future holds immense potential for continued growth and cooperation within this dynamic regional community.